not really going to be a very long one. I'm just putting the air filler on and I'm going to try and stay, but it's a bit cold so I'm not promising anything. So yeah, thanks for tuning into another video. Let's get into it. Let's get into your shout out. Okay guys, we just got it going. We got good oil pressure. What? So yeah, we got it going. A few sparks. Just noticed. Rev it in. So yeah, we're just letting it warm up. It's a mild winter day, but it's still cold. So just let it warm up, do its thing. We've got the clutch that's stuck on this, so we're going to have to free it off. Yeah, I think I'll stop it. Good oil pressure. I think I'll stop it. Dead. So guys, as I said, I am really sorry that this video wasn't really eventful. It was on for like 5 seconds. I think this video is literally going to be like a 2-minute, 3-minute video. I'm really sorry about that. I just wanted to keep the streak going. I wanted to keep you up to date with what I was doing. So I really appreciate you watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, comment if you want a shout out in the next video. But this time try and put like something interesting. Don't just put shout out or put something interesting. And then I will shout out the comments that I feel deserve a shout out. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you, hopefully, in the next one. Hopefully the next one's a bit more interesting. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.